Please consider becoming a patron of The Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/The Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you.
This is Hans.
And this is Kit.
And this is...
The chocolate break.
Sure is.
Chocolate.
For you.
Chocolate. Chocolate.
Not enough.
Chocolate. Chocolate. Chocolate.
Chocolate. I like chocolate.
I do sometimes.
You know, this episode will be airing in what? Next Thursday, and then a week after that. Who knows what bits and pieces of our once great society will be left by then. It might just be, I don't know, a couple Jack in the Boxes and a McDonald's, and people just waiting 6 feet apart from each other. I want that new burrito. I need it. I need my burrito.
At McDonald's and Jack in the Box?
Sure. Like I said, it doesn't matter what befalls the human species. McDonald's will always come out with low-cost and economic and savory menu items for us all. It is the way of things. You have brought the chocolate.
Yeah.
What you have?
Cookie dough bites.
Cookie dough bites. Is that really chocolate? Well, I guess.
It's
yeah,
covered in
chocolate.
chocolate.
It says chocolate chip on it too.
It's chocolate chip and they're covered in chocolate.
Who makes that?
I don't know.
What does it say above chocolate chip?
The original
Oh.
chocolate chip cookie dough bites.
It's made by the original. Wow, that's one of those like movie theater boxes.
I used to get them when we did movie theater stuff.
Really? I guess. Made by Lindt. Made by Palmer.
Taste of Nature Inc.
Oh, they're poop.
They're poop. They're poop bites. They're not chocolate.
Little taste of nature. Taste the nature. It comes in a bag.
Just like all the other ones that you get.
Really?
From the movie theater? Yeah.
I mean-
don't think like you're getting this big box of stuff and then there's like a tiny bag inside.
That's new. Well,
It's not new.
it's not new, but it's not the way it used to be. It used to be the lining of boxes, like of candy boxes, were lined with kind of like a waxy film.
It must have been a really long time ago.
Not really. I don't like to think it was. Was that a noise? Did you hear a noise? Okay. Well, what do we do with these?
Eat them.
We consume them?
And just stuck together.
Cheers.
They don't taste like cookie dough anymore.
No, those taste like Chips Ahoy cookies, which don't taste like cookies. Look at those 0. Those have a funk.
I'm sad to say they do. They didn't before. But yeah, I have to go with the 0 as well. Makes me sad.
Thanks a lot, cookie dough people.
Yeah.
You ruined her life.
Ruined it. What happened? He didn't show what it is.
Huh? What?
Said he didn't show what it is yet.
No, I didn't, because it's going to take forever to open it. There's an evil box, let's open it first. Alright, so keeping with the boxed theme. One for some Goobers! Oh, Goobers. Goober peas. There better not be a bag in this. That'll make me feel sick.
Doesn't sound like it.
I wonder how many forests get toasted making boxes for Goobers. Made by
They
Nestle.
look like chocolate-covered teeth.
They are. And nothing tastes better going down than a nice chewy tooth. Yeah, they certainly do. Wow. Cheers.
Cheers.
Mmm.
I'm not really feeling the Goobers.
Well, mine were all perfect. I'm giving them a 5.
I'm gonna go with 2.
Oh, you're not a big fan of. Well, you like peanut M&Ms.
But not 2 out of 3 of them are burnt.
I have that problem with the peanut M&Ms. However, you do not. Well, I guess some people have all the luck. Goodbye.
Goodbye.